physical chemistry ಇಂದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬರೀ physical chemistry ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ numerical problems ಅನ್ನ chapter wise ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Just 10 questions we are going to practice it. Means those questions are actually most repeated questions. Okay. So please let me know that am I audible and visible properly to everyone? Am I visible and audible properly to everyone? Yes. Let's start the class then without wasting the time. Okay. So ಈಗ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಬೇಕು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ದು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಡೀತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಗೋ ಚೆಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಚ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೆನ್ಸಲಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ videos if you people want it, please tell it in the chat box. Okay. Hi Rohini. Hi Ananya. Yes, then let's start. So solution chapter in the first two. So solution chapter in the almost bala important numerical problems andre bala important questions keltare. Once again I'll tell you. Yes, from this chapter almost I can accept that 3 questions they might ask. Okay, 3 questions. Like example in 5 marks, in 2 marks and in 3 marks. Understood? So they might ask it in this way. 5 marks edukanta helide andre almost chemistry nalli part D nalli 5 marks questions bidutte. Okay, ಆ part D solution ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗಬಹುದು 5 marks ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 5 marks question ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಲೈಕ್ 3 marks question ಒಂದು 1 marks question ಒಂದು notes also I will prepare it appa. How can we download the notes? So you need to go and watch it. Means in the description they will be given the link. You need to log in through the Vedantu app and then you will get the notes there. Directly you can download it. Okay. So that all things you can just see in the description itself. Okay. So let's start without wasting the time waste here. Solution chapter. First question. Once again, where our first question went? Yeah. So in case if they have given 1 minute. Is it visible properly on the screen? Yes, it's visible. Let's start then. If 22 gram of benzene, yes, kotidarappa 22 gram of benzene kotidare. Ee 22 gram of benzene ge this 22 gram of benzene whichever they have given it is dissolved in 122 gram of carbon, which what it is dissolved in 122 gram of carbon. Then you just observe it now, which will be the solvent and which will be the solute. 20, you people know it. Solution nalli solvent ಮತ್ತೆ solute nalli solvent ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, solute ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, right? So solvent ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 122 gram of carbon tetrachloride is going to act like a solvent. Clear everyone? So this is going to act like a solvent. So idenaguttappa, this is going to act like a solute. Clear everyone? Yes. So let's start now solving it. They have told us to calculate the percentage of the carbon tetrachloride, that is CCl4 and benzene of C6H6. Clear? So we can directly apply the formula of mass percentage of benzene. Mass percentage of benzene directly formula na apply ಮಾಡಿ. This is direct question. Sometimes, okay, sometimes ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ mass of the solution ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ, mass of the benzene ಎಷ್ಟು, ಆ ತರನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ rearrange the formula. That's it. Yes, come on, you people need to be active in the chat box. Am I audible properly? Yes. So be active in the chat box, then only I'm going to get it. And please mark your attendance fast. Okay, attendance mark ಮಾಡಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಬಟನ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So now mass percentage of benzene is equal to what? Mass of the benzene into 100 and mass of the solution. Okay, mass of the solution rearrange ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ mass percent ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ತಿಳಿತಾ? So ಅದೇ just rearrange ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು, just substitution. This is a direct question but substitution ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? So mass of the benzene ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 22 into 100. Clear? Next, mass of the solution is 22 plus 122. Mass of the solution ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ, solvent plus solute. Understood? Solvent plus solute is called as what? Mass of the solution. So I'm substituting everything. So in a PU board nalli already niಮಗೆ calculator available irutte. So and direct agi haki solve mana ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So ಇದು 2 marks ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ 3 marks ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ 5 marks ನಲ್ಲಿ optional ಅದರ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? So this will come what? 15.28%. Now they have even told us to calculate the CCl4 percentage, right? So mass percentage of CCl4 is how much? 100 minus mass of the percentage of benzene. So it will be how much? 100 minus 15.28. That will be 84.72%. 84.72%. So please make sure if this same question will be asked, then you need to solve it in the stepwise. So unit ana maribedi. Yavaglu numerical problem unit is very, very important. If you miss the unit, it will be very difficult to understand the concept. Clear? Be active in the chat box, everyone. Yes. Next question, let us go. Calculate the mass of a non-volatile solute. They have told us to calculate what? Mass of a non-volatile solute, and molar mass is actually how much? 40 gram per mole, which should be dissolved in 114 gram, which should be dissolved in how much? 114 gram of octane to reduce its vapor pressure to 80%. To reduce its vapor pressure to how much? 80%. Clear? If it's not visible, I'll write it. Don't worry, everyone. Okay? So be active in the chat box. So next in ಬರತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Calculate the mass of the non-volatile solute ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ molar mass of 40 gram of per mole. 40 gram molar mass ಅನ್ನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ 3 marks 2 marks ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು PA naught minus PA divided by P naught A is equal to NB divided by NA plus NB. NB is equal divided by NA plus NB. Clear? So whatever the NB is there, that is number of moles of non-volatile solute, and NA is what? Number of moles of octane. Understood everyone? NB andre ಏನಪ್ಪ? NB andre number of moles of non-volatile solute. NA andre number of moles of octane. Okay, just we are going to substitute it everything here. Clear? Everything understanding? So 100 minus 80 divided by 100. So what is going to be the 100? This 100 minus 80, that is going to be WB, weight of the any of the compound which they have given it, divided by 40, divided by 114 divided by 114, which they have already provided. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು mole dissolve ಆಗಿದೆ already octane ದು? 114 gram of octane is dissolved already. Okay, so then substitute ಮಾಡಿದೆ, plus WB divided by 40. Clear? That only we will calculate, and we will get it what? 0.2 is equal to WB divided by 40 plus WB. Clear? Then now we want to find the WB. So I'm taking it at the left side. Clear? So WB is equal to what? 0.2 in the bracket. Whatever this thing is there, that will go this side. It will come this side. Clear? 40 plus WB is equal to 8 plus 0.2B. 8 plus 0.2 WB. Clear everyone? Yes. Now this whatever is there, that we are going to take it at this side, and the 8 will be at the right side. Clear? So afterwards 0.8, whatever the 0.8B is there, WB, this thing here it will go. Clear? So that will be 0.8 WB is equal to 8. Clear everyone? So WB is equal to 8 divided by WB is equal to what? 8 divided by 0.8. Clear? 0.8. How much it will be? 10 grams. It will be how much? 10 grams. In this way, you people need to solve it. Clear? So, this is direct question. It's not an application based question. It's a direct question itself. They have directly told us the molar mass also, right? They have given the molar mass also already, and they have given already how much amount of octane is being dissolved also. ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರಾಮ್ octane actually dissolve ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So just substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ, which we have learnt it in the theory class already. If you have not watched it, go and check it out. Ma'am blur ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ. Yes, blur ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is what you people need to understand it, okay? So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, don't worry, in the notes it will be clear. Let's start with the next question. The boiling point, yes, the boiling point of a benzene is 353.23 Kelvin, 353.23 Kelvin, and when 1.80 gram of non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 gram of benzene, the boiling point is raised to 354.11 Kelvin. 354.11 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of the solute, that is Kb for benzene is how much? 2.53 Kelvin kg per mole. Kg per mole. So that is going to be what? M2 is equal to. M2 is equal to Kb into Wb into 1000 divided by delta Tb into Wb. This formula we already know it. This is very important formula. Idara mele important, and on this also you people will get a lot of questions, okay? Fixed question. Fixed question, you are going to get it on this formula. ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ? In case this all values are being given in the question, when you read it, when you write the given things, that time you will have an idea. Hi Shivangi, sorry Shivraju, hi Shivraju. Okay, considered properly. This all numerical problems separate ಆಗಿ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕುಂತು ಕೇಳಿ. 100% ಶೋರ್ at least 2 marks 3 marks ಅಂತೂ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬುಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಬುಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ and tell me the answer. Before I explain the answer, you people need to tell me the answer. How many are there? First, give the attendance who has not given the attendance, and please make sure start solving it once I give the question. So adar prakara nanagu gottagutte ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? So now M2 is equal to Kb into Wb into 1000 divided by delta Tb into Wa. Clear? So now all the things they have given it. What is Kb? 2.53. They have already given it. Where is our 2.53? Yes, here. That is Kb for benzene is 2.53 kilojoules per mole. I have written it, right? The Wb. What is the Wb? Wb is 1.8. They have already given when the 1.8 gram of non-volatile solute. I have added it. Next, the 1000 divided by delta Tb also value they have given it already. That is 0.88 into 90. What we will get the answer? That is 57.5 grams per mole. You people need to check it in the calculator and tell me. Clear? Understood everyone? Everyone needs to be active in the chat box. Come on, who has got this answer? Who has got this answer? Tell me. Let's see. How many people have got this answer? Yes. So ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ವೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ which are included in the solution, which are very very important, those all I am doing it. Okay, next question. A solution is containing 34.2 gram of 32.3 gram 2 gram of cane sugar. Cane sugar ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ? 34.2 gram cane sugar ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So that is C12H22O11. This is a cane sugar formula. Okay, so dissolved in 500 centimeter cube of water froze at minus 0.374 degree Celsius. So ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? That is at this temperature. Clear? At this degree Celsius it has been done. Now come on, everyone need to solve it before I explain it. I want the answers in the chat box fast. calculate the freezing point and the depression constant of the water. So they have asked two things. What is the first thing? That is about the freezing point and the depression constant of the water. Depression constant of the water. Now consider properly. They have told us to freezing point. You know already the freezing point formula. Directly at least ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಬರೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದ್ರೂ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. You will get 1 marks if you people only write the formula also. Clear? So make sure you people will at least write the formula and the given things. You might get 1 marks to 2 marks there itself. So don't miss that chance also. I'm telling you people, how can you even pass? See? So delta TF is equal to KF into WB into 1000. Okay. MB into WA. MB into WA. This formula we know is. Now already what they have given us. WB is how much? 34.2 gram. Already kotidarappa. Aita. WA enappa 500 centimeter cube into 1 gram. Why they have converted? Why? Because it is in the centimeter cube. They have given us in the centimeter cube. We are going to convert it into the gram. How much it will be? 500 gram. So ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, in case they are giving ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದೇನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ or else in kg it should be, or else in gram or kg ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಎರಡು ಇರಬೇಕು. 12 question. Ma'am, correct answer is 57.5. Yes, very good Shivraju. Very good, very good. So I want the answers from everyone, not only from the one person. First ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. 500 ಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 500 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ. ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ. So one they will ask it for 3 marks, you think, one more they will ask it for 2 marks. So such direct questions will be asked for 3 marks only. They will ask it for 3 marks itself, not more than 3 marks. Because it's just direct question ಇದೆ. ಏನು ತಲೆ ಭಾಳ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Ma'am, which questions you are solving now? Is this a PYQs or important questions? Not important questions, they're must study questions, okay? Even questions ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಎನಿ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಭಾಳ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು. ಬರೀ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದ್ರೂ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಬರೀ ಗಿವನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೂ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಬರೀ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗನೇ. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅನನ ಟೆಲ್ when the class will start, that time only you should come and join. So they will ask almost 2 to 3 questions. Okay, 2 to 3 questions are short. They will surely ask. Especially midterm ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, not for the main exam. Midterm ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 to 3 questions are short because chapters ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. They have to finish it. 70 marks ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. But mainly how midterm exams will be like, optional will be there. How the optional will be there means write only 3 questions. 4 questions ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, 3 ಬರೀರಿ ಅಪ್ಪ. 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, 3 ಬರೀರಿ. ಆ ಥರ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Let's start now. Delta TF, we need to find the freezing point, right? So delta TF is equal to what? Delta TF naught minus delta TF. Means not at the primary matte secondary. Okay? Delta T naught F minus delta TF. 0.0. This already. This temperature Celsius. Okay, that's Celsius. We have written it here. Minus 0.374. Other time freeze ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. 0.374 Kelvin. ತಿಳಿತಾ? We have converted that degree Celsius into Kelvin now. Now, next step is what? Just we need to substitute everything here. Clear? Now they have told us to find what? Freezing point and depression constant of the water. Depression constant is Kf. Delta Kf is equal to what? That is 0.374 into 342 into 500 gram divided by 34.2 into 1000. 34.2 into 1000. Clear everyone? So first numerator della multiplication ಮಾಡಿ. So ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇವೆ, but I am telling you the trick here. First calculator ನಲ್ಲಿ, I know in the calculator also lots of mistakes will happen. Okay, I can agree with that. Sometimes ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು board mass rule ಅನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, but it's very important to apply the board mass rule everywhere wherever you are doing the numerical problems. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವೆರಡು ತರದ್ದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 1.87 ಪರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? per kilometer. So these are some of the questions which we should study. Clear everyone? Understood? Yes. Let's move to the next part now. The solutions of urea in water has a boiling point of 100.128 degrees Celsius. Okay, 100.128 degrees Celsius. Now, if they have given in the Celsius, we can convert that into the Kelvin. Last problem la hege madidvalla ade tara madಬಹುದು. So I want everyone to tell the answer of this before I solve it. Okay. So solution of urea in water has a boiling point of 100.128. 100.128 degree Celsius. Now calculate the freezing point of the same solution. Freezing point of that solution itself, we need to find it. Okay, and the molar constant for the water, that is Kf. That is going to be the Kf, and the Kb are 1.86 degree Celsius, 1.86 degree Celsius and 0.512 degree Celsius respectively. How we are going to solve it? Delta TB is equal to what? Kbm, that is going to be the 1. Let us consider this as a 1 now. Okay, this is 1. This KFM, that is delta TF, means F du. Idu KB du, idu F du, freezing point du. Okay, so ee tara you separate agi baribeku. You people need to understand that also. That is also very, very important. Okay, yes. Next comes what? Divide the equation that is 1 by the equation 2. Okay, divide the equation 1 by the equation 2. So idu matte idu divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, because we have considered 1 and 2 here. Clear? Come on, be active in the chat box everyone. Delta TB is equal to delta TF, means a boiling point matte freezing point. This boiling point aita divided by freezing point. Okay, so this KB divided by KF, same thing we are going to do it. Okay, so let's substitute madana. Okay, that is 100.128 minus 100, because we are converting that to degree Celsius to the Kelvin. Okay, then delta TF, that is going to be how much? 0.512 divided by 1.86. This they have given it already. Then next, so this is going to be what? Delta TF. This delta TF is equal to 0.128 this and into 1.86 into 1.86. Clear everyone? Divided by 0.512. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇತರದ್ದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಫ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Okay, come on, who got the answer? Who got the answer? Freezing point is equal to what? With this all things means rearrange ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Okay, delta TF ಇದನ್ನು rearrange ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ first ಇದನ್ನ numerator ದ multiplication ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? So this is going to be how much? 0.465 degree Celsius. That is delta TF naught minus TF, means ಅಂದ್ರೆ in case ನಮಗೆ find ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ. Okay, that is going to be how much? 0.465 degree Celsius. Clear everyone? So make sure ಯಾವುದು numerical problem ಇರಲಿ ಅದರದ್ದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Clear everyone? Tell thumbs up in the chat box. Let's see how many people have understood this. Fast. Let's see how many people have got this answer. Okay, this is the next question. Fast. Try to solve this. Try to solve this question. Calculate the osmotic pressure in the pascals. They have told us to calculate what? Calculate the osmotic pressure in the pascals. In the pascals andre eno idu unit, pascals andre unit, adar prakara neevu solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So exerted by a solution prepared by a dissolving 1 gram of polymer of molar mass of 1,85,000 gram idu. Okay, mole in 450 ml of water is 37 degrees Celsius. Clear? So directly we are going to apply the formula is equal to, that is N is equal to WB RT divided by M2V. Okay. So if you people will write only this also, you will get 1 marks. See, I'm telling you this main thing. So practice all the formulas, whichever you people know it. Okay. Come on, solve this everyone. Try it everyone. This is a direct question. This is a 2 marks question. Okay. This is 2 marks question. 2 marks question andre idu 5 marks nallinu kelbahudu. Okay. 5 marks nallinu kelbahudu. So WBRT divided by M2V, concentrate. WB is how much? 1 into 8.314. What is that? Value of R. Okay. Value of R. Next, T temperature, how much they have given? 3, that is 37 degrees Celsius. We have converted, we will get 310. Okay. Next. Now, 1,85,000, that is the grams per mole, which we have written it here. That is M2. And what is the V? That is going to be 450 into 10 raised to -6 meters cube. Clear, everyone? Yes, everything we have written? Yes, we have written everything here. I'll just mark this also for you people. Yes. Yes, we got everything now. Consider properly. 1 baradvi, 8.3 R value baradvi, temperature baradvi, means temperature degree Celsius in the Kelvin illa convert markobodu. You people will understand it. Okay. Try to solve this everyone. Fast, fast. Let's see. And once understood everyone, you people need to put the thumb. Understood, ma'am. Like this, you people need to do it. Okay. So 85,000 into 450 into 10 raised to 6. So first numerator ella solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಮೇಲೆ denominator solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು numerator solve ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 2577.34 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ divided by ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ we will get it as 83.25. what we will get in the Pascal? Why? Because they have asked ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಪಾಸ್ಕಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಓಕೆ once we solve all the problems sometimes the unit will be different okay that unit you need to convert it and write whatever they have asked it ಬಾಳ ಹುಡುಗರು ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ in case per mole nallirutte per kg nallirutte so ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಲೀರಿ because we don't read the question properly that mistakes will be common clear so don't make such mistakes they have asked us in the Pascal we have written it in the Pascal clear everyone 30.96 Pascal understood thumbs up fast who has not given the attendance please mark your attendance next yes this is going to be the 4 to 5 marks they might ask it for 5 marks or they might ask it for 3 or 4 marks ಮತ್ತೆ 1 marks ಇದ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ so I'll not write this much is enough yes let's start so two elements that is A and B is it visible properly yes I'll write it don't worry two elements that is A and B form compounds having the formulas AB2 okay having the formulas what AB2 and AB4 when dissolved in the 20 gram of benzene when we will dissolve that in the 20 gram of benzene that is C6H6 that is 1 gram of AB2 lowers the freezing point by 2.3 Kelvin it will lower the things by how much 2.3 Kelvin clear and then whereas 1 gram of AB4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ okay 1 gram of AB4 is lowers it lowers if the 1.3 Kelvin ಆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇಂದ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ next the molar depression constant they told to find the molar depression constant for the benzene is going to be how much 5.1 kilo kg per mole clear 5.1 kilo kg per mole ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ depression molar depression constant ಆಗುತ್ತೆ clear so now you need to calculate the atomic mass of A and B atomic mass of A and B ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆಯ್ತಾ ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತಿಳಿತಾ ಸುನೀತಾ hi ಸುನೀತಾ you are late to the class Be on time. Yes. You people have started solving it. Let me see how many people have already started it. Come on, tell me who has started already to solve this question. Because this is very important question, guys. Very important. Most important, I can tell you people. Okay. Ee concept ಮಾಡಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ what is going to come the answers. See now, we know already that is MB is equal to what? KF into WB into 1000. That is freezing point into weight of the A. Weight of the A. Now they have told us what is the mass of A and what is the mass of B. Because they told us to find what? A matte A mass matte B mass anna find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ MAB not MAB square is equal to what? 5.1 into 1 into 1000 divided by 2.3 into 20. They have given everything. Just we need to substitute it. Clear? I'll tell you how to substitute also. Okay. So 5.1 ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ already ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ 5. Where it went? Wait 1 second. Yes, here it is. Constant. Molar mass ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ 5.1. I'll write it here. 5.1 ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ already. I have written it 5.1 into 1 into 1000 into 1000. Oh, ತಳಗ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆನಾ? It's okay. 5.1 into 1 into 1000 divided by, okay, divided by delta T. Freezing point ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2.3. AB not AB2 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2.3. 2.3 into 20. How much it will be? Calculate fast in your calculators. You need to calculate it. Then only you'll have an answer. See, you people are getting everything. You need to sit and solve it. Then only you'll understand. Okay. So how much it will be? 110 into 8 7. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೋದು. ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. Understood everyone? Thumbs up in the chat box fast. So next to AB2. Okay, that will be how much? 3 into 20. AB4. Sorry. 1 second. AB4. It's visible? Yes, it's visible. AB4, okay. How much it will be? Everything when you calculated, how much it will be? First numerator ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ denominator. What we will get it? 196.15 grams per mole. Clear? Now we got to know both the values. Now what we are going to do? Consider properly. What is the XY now? Let X and Y be the atomic masses. Let us consider this X and Y as the atomic masses. Clear? X, Y ಅನ್ನ atomic masses of A and B ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಣ. A and B ಇದು consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So respectively. Now then AB2 is equal to what? X plus 2Y equal to 1187. Last problem solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ. Okay? Last problem solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈಗ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? How much? 196.6. Okay, let's see. Very good, Sunita. So come on, only one girl is answering it. I want everyone to answer it in the chat box. Come on fast. Very good, Sunita. AB4. ಇದು AB square ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು AB4 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. AB4 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? That is going to be X plus 4Y. Because ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2Y. 2 ಇದೆ 2y. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ x ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. a ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, x ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, 2 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ, 4 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ? ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 196.15 grams per mole. ನಾ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2 and ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 and 2 we will minus it. Come on, how many people got the answer? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is going to be how much? 2y is equal to 85.28. 85.28. So y is equal to what? 85. ಈ 2 ಏನಿದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Understood? It will get divided. It will get divided. So what will get? Y is equal to 85.28 divided by 2 is equal to 42.64. 42.64 will be the answer. Now we got to know the Y value. What is the Y value? That is 42.64. Understood? Next. Substituting the value of Y in the equation 1. So, this equation 1 nalli now substitute madkolona. So, x plus 2 into 42.64, how much it will be? 110.87. Therefore, x is equal to 1 point. Okay. So, answer 25.59. How much it will be? 25.59. 29.59. So, what will be the atomic mass of A? That will be 25.59 U, and atomic mass of a B will be 42.64 U. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Understood? Minus 86. No, Sunita, minus 86 how it will come? Oh, illi minus madra. Okay, no. It will not become. It will become 85.28. Eno changes madbedi. So, yak decimal solpa wrong kadrunu ಏನು problem ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ? So, masses needs to be every time exactly. Okay, masses needs to be always exactly. Masses needs to be exactly. Why? Because we need theoretical value, no? Theoretical ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. We are doing actually practical. We need masses because we need practical thing. Okay, we need the masses needs to be exactly. No decimal changes needs to happen in such questions. In case mass find ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು changes ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Let's go to the next question. Yes, this is also easy. This is also they have asked in the July 2018 and March 2016. Okay. Okay, let's start. 5.8 gram of non-volatile non-electrolyte. 5.8 gram of non-volatile non-electrolyte solute was actually dissolved in 100 gram of carbon disulfide. In how much? 100 gram of carbon disulfide. Clear? CS2. The vapor pressure of the solution was found to be what? 190 mm of mercury. Of what? Mercury. Come on. Shifa got the answer as 196.1. Okay. Which you are telling me? Last problem, Where we got 196? Oh, this value you are telling. Yes, very good. No problem. You people are slow, but you are solving it very fast. That's very good. I am very happy. Okay. So here you can just observe it. What they have told, they have given the vapor pressure of the solution was found in 190 mm of Hg. Mercury ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಪ್ಪ 190 mm ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So now you need to calculate the molar mass of the solute. Molar mass ದು solute ಅನ್ನ find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Concentrate ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? MB direct value, direct formula ಹಾಕೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ 1 marks. I'm telling it everywhere. 1 marks ಅಂತ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮು ಸಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂದುಳಿಯೋದು ರೈಟ್ MB is equal to WP into MA into PA naught divided by WA in the bracket P naught A minus PA. Whatever way they have got the value, we'll subtract it. Okay. Now concentrate. 5.8, that is WB. They have already given it 5.8, 5.8 gram of non-volatile, right? 76 into 9, 195, 100 into, we are minusing, means P naught A matte P naught value anna minus madodu. Now, concentrate properly. First bracket anna solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay? First bracket anna solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I want all the answers in the chat box. Fast. So first bracket ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ 5.8 into 76 into 195 ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತಿಳಿತಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ yes correct 171.9 yes very good I'm so happy so 100 into this value clear 171.91 grams per mole 91 grams per mole in this way you people can solve it make sure unit should be written na ella one problem solve ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿರ್ತೇನೆ ಏನು ಮರಿಬಾರದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆಯ್ತಾ Okay, try out with this question, everyone. This is also most asked question. Most asked question. Ma'am, calculate marde. Yes, calculated. Very good. That is correct. That is correct. Okay, next question. Understand, Aita? Let's see then. How many people are going to solve? Let's see now. How many people are going to answer me this question? Yes, they have asked 1.4 gram of acetone. They have asked what? 1.4 gram of acetone dissolved in 100 gram of benzene. How much they have dissolved? In 100 gram of benzene. Okay. Gave a solution which freezes at 270. Oh, sorry. At 277.12 Kelvin. Freeze. ಯಾವಾಗ freeze ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈ temperature ಮೇಲೆ freeze ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ temperature ಇದು? 277.12 Kelvin. Clear? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ pure benzene freezes at 278.4 Kelvin. 278.2 Kelvin. So now 2.8 gram of ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 2.8 gram of a solute which is dissolved in 100 gram of benzene, gave a solution which froze or freeze, anything you can use the word, ononsala freeze barutte, ononsala froze barutte, froze at 277.76 Kelvin. ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದು ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಒಂದು 277.12 Kelvin ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದು 277.76 ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? They told to calculate the molecular weight of the solute. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೆಸಿಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Now try to solve it, everyone. Let's see. First write the given things, everyone, and then you'll have an idea that which formula needs to be used. Concentrate. Kf is equal to delta Tf freezing point, okay, into Wa, weight of the A, into Mb, molecular mass, divided by Wb, weight of the B, into 1000. Important, guys. This on this formula, sure shot. 1 mark sigate if in case you write only the formula. Okay. Important problem idu. Aita? How to write the given? Amma, how to write the given? You should write very easily. This is very easy. Okay. Hey, given baribekanta hela? Okay, let's start. So, il given heng baribekappa. First given heg baritera. So, given anta heng baritera. So, aada takshna 1.4 gram of acetone ide. Okay. 1.4 gram of acetone on the WB. WB is what? 1.4 gram. Clear? WB 1.4 gram. Next in baratappa. ಎಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮ್ದು WB ಆಯ್ತಾ? WA how much they were given? 100 gram of benzene in a solution. Solvent ಅದು. ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, WA ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, WA is going to be what? ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. It will be called as solute. Next, what they have told, I think we need to write next MB. What is the MB here? That is going to be what? 58. Molecular mass of that compound. Clear? 58. Next, WB, but the delta TF. Delta TF is 1.28. 1.28 will be the delta TF. Okay, delta TF. Clear? Delta TF is equal to what? One second, I'll mark it from the black. 278.4 minus 277.12. Okay, iveredu minus ಮಾಡಿ. Delta F naught minus delta F. Very good, Shifa. Very good. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಈ ಗಿವನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ದ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ, that is here. I have solved it, this one. Clear? So now 1.28 into 100 divided by 58 divided by 1.4 into 1000. First numerator ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 5.3 ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ kg per mole. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Next, we got to know the value now. Clear? Let's move to the next part. So that is MB is equal to KF into WB into 1000 divided by delta TF into WA. What is the MB formula? Okay, what is the MB? Means we are finding it for the purpose of benzene. So MB ಅಂತ ತಗೋದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ MB ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ರು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ, B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ KF into WB into 1000. We know already the formula of this. Okay, ಹಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತೂ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಈಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಹಾಯ್ ರವಿಚಂದ್ರನ್, ಸೋ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರು ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So let's start. How many people got the answer? Come on, tell me in the chat box. 5.3 into 2.8x in 8 into 1000 divided by 0.64 into 100. We'll get the answer what? 231.87 grams per mole. Per mole. Clear? Yes, very good, Shifa. Molecular weight 231.875. Yes, very good. That's what the answer is. Clear everyone? Understood? Let's move to the next part. Come on, let's start solving this. Addition of a 0.643 gram of compound to concentrate 0.643 gram of compound to 50 ml of benzene. See, 50 ml of benzene nalli ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so what will be the density here? 0.8. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು. ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ? ವೇಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಸೌಂಡೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ? 0.879 grams per mole. 0.87 grams per mole. So lower the freezing point from, it will lower freezing point ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕೋತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 5.51 degree Celsius to how much? 5.51 degree Celsius to 5.03 degree Celsius. So degree Celsius ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟು ದ ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟು ದ ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, ಸಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತ. ಸಿ KF ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಹುಡುಗರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ KF ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 5.12 kilo kg per mole. Right? So they have given the KF value. Let's substitute it directly into the formula. I told you people how to write the given things. Try to write the given things. You might get the good marks there. Okay? You might get the good marks. So MB is equal to, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಂತೂ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಗಿವನ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. Write the given things properly everyone. I want everyone to message in the chat box fast. What you people got the answer? MB is equal to what? We need to find the molecular mass, and that is KF is into WB into 1000 divided by delta TF into WA. WA is what? 50 into 0.879 equal to 43.95 grams. 43.95 grams. So because mass is always equal to volume into density. Clear? More mass is always equal to volume into density. ಇದನ್ನಂತೂ ನೀವು 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ. Aita? So next, delta TF. We need to find delta TF. They have given already the temperature. That is going to be what? Here only they have given the temperature. That is 278.66 minus 278.18. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ವಿನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ವಿನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ನೀವು 9th ನಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ 278.66 minus 278.18 equal to 0.48 Kelvin. Minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೌ mb is equal to molecular mass of a benzene is equal to what will be that 5.12 into 0.643 into 1000 what will be the answer first numerator calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ denominator ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸೊ ಅದು ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 156.056 grams per mole clear everyone understood yes let's move to the next question that is about the electricity solution chapters in the almost 10 questions ashte togondirodu nanu ee class nalli in case demand will increase I'll do the one more thing for you people itself ಇನ್ನೊಂದು session ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ in case ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ numerical problem solve ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ but you people need to tell me in the comment section clear yes come on let's try with the electrochemistry electrochemistry is also called as what anode and cathode new name for the electrochemistry because bare electrochemistry nalla ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ anode ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು cathode ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನಂತೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ electrochemistry's first question show that 0.08 molar solution having the conductivity equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 per ohm per centimeter has the higher molar conductance than 0.10 molar solutions which are having the resistivity equal to 48 ohm centimeter directly we will apply the formula here Shift. Yes, very good. Del MB and delta T. Very good, Shifa. So I want everyone to solve like Shifa now. Fast. M is equal to K into 1000 divided by M. So we know already the K value that is 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 1000 divided by 0.08. What will get first numerator na solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಆಮೇಲೆ denominator. What will get the answer? 250 S per centimeter square per mole. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ Pascal the unit ಏನಪ್ಪ? What is the unit of this? That is going to be ohm per centimeter. Ohm centimeter, not per. Ohm centimeter. Clear everyone? Now. Molecular mass is equal to 1000 divided by into m 1000 divided by 58 into 0.1 0.1 is equal to what? So first you will solve with the numerator and then you are going to solve with the denominator. Clear? So Ravi Chandran, first start solving the problem. Hi, hello, what is that?
Hi, hello, hi. Hi. Solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾ ಮಾಡಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಕ್ ಸರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅವಮಾನ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಇದೆ
Today Baswaraj sir is going to solve the problem. Chemistry problem.
Okay,
Come on.
P ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ that constant
What is the P?
ರೋ
Very good. See, sir is so good with chemistry.
okay
ಇದು ಓಂ
who is this
ಓಂಕಾರ ಅದು ಏನದು
who is that V here Vita
I don't know you tell ma'am what is this
you tell ma'am
Fast. Who is going to answer this? Gopika Ma'am or Baswaraj sir?
some resistivity conductivity something no yes
molar conductivity very good ma'am very good
smart people we are
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
oh Ravi Chandra remember he only answered all the
our
questions
questions
now he
Today is Sifa is answering the questions.
nice ma'am
okay
ma'am ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ma'am finish it off 15 minutes max 10 minutes
yeah then ma'am you come there and let us
Okay. Good evening. Yes, Ravichandran. Good evening. Hi, hello. Ella ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ So let's come to the problem now. So what will be the conductivity now of 0.08 m solution is going to be the greater than 0.1 m solution. Clear everyone? So ee tara electrochemistry problem anna solve madabohudu. Understood? Yes. Let's go to the next question. I want everyone need to answer this. Okay. Now the electronic molarity of the volume values for the NaCl is K and KCl are 126.5 and 149.9 per ohm per centimeter mole. Okay, so it bala doddi unit agutte. Salpa confusion agutte, I can understand, but you need to remember, guys, no option we have. We need to remember the unit. How much you people will write the unit, you will get the good marks, right? So be active in the chat box fast, respectively. And the ionic conductance of a sodium at infinite dilution is hot 50.1 per ohm per centimeter per mole. Clear? So ಈಗ calculate ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪ? Ionic conductance. We are going to calculate the ionic conductance at infinite dilution for K+, that is potassium ion. Potassium ion ದು find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, right? Yes, Shifa, you got good compliments today. Yes, come on, let's start solving it. So lambda do sodium do matte chloride means we are finding it for the NaCl. So we are going to find it separately. Both the things we are going to add it. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sodium ಮತ್ತೆ chloride ಅನ್ನ add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. ಎರಡು lambdaವನ್ನ add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ first. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Lambda add ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? We are going to get the answer what? 126.5 yes centimeter square per mole. Clear? Centimeter square per mole. Be active in the chat box. Come on. Yes, understanding the problem? How you are getting it? You are understanding it? Yes. So this lambda naught Cl minus is going to be what? 126.5 minus 50.1. That will be what? 76.4 yes centimeter square per mole. So ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಥರದ್ದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸೋಡಿಯಂದು ಆಯ್ತು, ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ದು ಆಯ್ತು. So sodium and chloride, once we calculate with the sodium and chloride, we are going to get the value for the KCl. Why? Because they told us to calculate for the potassium, that is K+, right? So we need to find for the KCl now. That is potassium same. ಇದೇ ತರ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೇವಲ್ಲ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ದು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ potassium ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? So potassium ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ K0 ಮತ್ತು Cl minus, so we will get the answer as what? 149. Who got this answer? Come on, tell me. 149.9 yes per centimeter square per mole. Centimeter square per mole. What will get lambda naught K plus is going to be what? You add it through minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That's it. Very simple question. Very simple question. Only yes, sir. What is this? Understood? Very simple question. When you minus it, we will get it what? 73.5 yes centimeter square per mole. So direct agi K value anna find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? So this question will be most probably they will ask it for how much? They will ask it for 2 marks or 3 marks. Please make sure. They might ask it for the 5 marks also. Most probably ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಕೇಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಬಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಬಂದಿಗೆ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಅದೇ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಮೊದಲೇ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? Let's go to the next question. How many grams of chlorine can be produced by the electrolysis of molten sodium chloride? The current of 1 ampere. Okay. Current of 1 ampere for 15 minutes. 15 minutes continuously. ಎಷ್ಟು ampere ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ampere ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 1 ampere ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. Come on, who got the last answer? Who got the last answer? Come on, tell me. I'm happy because biology teachers came to the class. Oh, you are very happy that biology teachers came to the class. Yes, that's very good. See, Basuraj sir even answered the questions, right? Yes. So quantity of the electricity is given by Q is equal to IT. Direct formula, ohm do. That is going to be what? Q is equal to IT. Okay. Next, 1 ampere into 15 into 60 seconds. That's going to be what? 900 coulomb. Directly. Okay. 15 into 60 into 1. Direct multiplication ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. What we people will get the answer? That is 900 coulomb. What will get? That is going to be 900 coulomb. Clear? Next, 96,500. That is a value for the Faraday. It is a value for the Faraday. Faraday value. Okay. Of electricity has been liberated 1 gram 1 second. Yes, 1 gram of equivalent of a substances, that is 96,500 coulomb, and is going to be how much? 35.5 gram of chlorine. Yes, molecular mass atardu 35.5 grams of chlorine at standard temperature and pressure. What is the meaning of STP? Standard temperature and pressure. Shifa 76.4 banta. Yes, last question da. Yes, 76.4. Yes, very good, very good. You got the correct answer. Now, 900 coulomb of X gram of chlorine. We need to find the X gram of chlorine for the 900 coulomb. For 96,500 coulomb, this is the answer. Then how much is for 900 coulomb? Simple. Nan kada 2 chocolate idre, nim 3 chocolate kodid takshana ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? End of the class, once again we will call. Yes, we will call, don't worry. So, in a case, if ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ 2 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ನೀನು ನನಗೆ 3 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, that is going to be x is equal to 35.5 into 900 divided by 96,500. ಈಗ 96,600 ಕೂಲಂಬ್ಗೆ 35.5 gram of chlorine is present at STP, means standard temperature and pressure. How much it will be for 96,500? How much it will be for what? 96,500 coulomb. Yes, iruttappa. So, 900 gram coulomb ಗೆ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. X is equal to 35.5 into 900 divided by 96,500. That will be what? 0.331 grams of Cl2. Cl2. Understood, everyone? Tell yes. Now, we know that 71 gram of moles of chloride is present, that is 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 chlorine, right? So, now, for that molecule, 0.331, idradu 900 coulomb find ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ already, chlorine do, ಆಯ್ತಾ? So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0.331 gram chlorine ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ, right? Now, this much we know. For this much, what? Right? So, that is what? X is equal to what? 0.331 into 6.02 into 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. 10 raised to 23. Clear? Divided by 71. What will get the answer? That is first numerator or denominator. 2.8 into 10 raised to 21. Chloride of molecules. Clear? Understood? Tell yes or no. Yes. Next question. So, idu bala important to 5 marks kelidare already. Make sure to practice it. 5 marks already kelidare. Understood? Yes. Let's start. 2 students use the same stock solution of zinc sulfate and the solution of copper sulfate. Okay. Here students same stock ana use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಪರ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, now the EMF of the one cell is what? 0.03 volt. Okay, higher than the other. So, the concentration of the copper sulfate in the cell with the higher EMF value is 0.5 m. Already m value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 0.5 m. Find out the concentration of copper sulfate in the other cell. That is, they are given the values also here. So, ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್? 2 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 2 ಅಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಅಸಿಡ್ಸ್? ಜಿಂಕ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಪರ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ 2 ಅಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This lesson is not there. This lesson is not there. Electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is there. Chemical kinetics is not there. Mad people. Why? Huh? So, ಆಮೇಲೆ 0.5 m. Okay, 0.5 m. Now, it is there, right? It is there. Electrochemistry is there. Chemical kinetics is not there. So, find out the concentration of copper sulfate in the other cell. That is going to be 2.303. RT divided by F is equal to 0.06. Clear? So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ 1 ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ 2. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ 1 ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? Consider student 1 is going to be what? Student 1, there that Z means ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Cu2 plus 0.5 m. This is all salt bridge. Okay. Now E1 is equal to E0 minus 0.062. That is log. Come on, who got the answer? 0.5. That will be value 1. let us consider this as a 1. Just direct substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ for our college. Oh, no problem, for your college it's not there, but most of the midterm exams which is going on in the Karnataka, it has this chapter. Okay, and who has not there, you can tell it to me in the chat box now. Student 2, student first 1 ಆಯ್ತಾ, student 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ zinc same thing, just same concentration ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. According to the question, they have taken the same concentration. Clear? They told us to find the concentration of what they have used it. So now E2 is equal to E naught 0.06 divided by 2 log of C1 divided by C2. That will be what? 2. Clear? So now equation 1 minus 2. What will be equation 1 minus 2? E1 andre ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, E2 andre ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Yes, I'm going to solve all the midterm questions. Okay. Hi Rohini, hi. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಲೆಸನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ 2 ಜಿಂಕ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ತರ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0.3 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು 0.5 ಎಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 minus 2 ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 minus 2 ಎರಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ದಿಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, which is the common, that is 0.06, and this is both the things are common. I have written it here. Clear? Then C1 minus C2, log of C1 divided by C2 and log of C1 divided by 0.5 means they have already given the C2 value there, that is 0.5 m. Okay, they have given the 0.5 m all. Okay, next what will come and solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಪೂರ್ತಿ. Okay, we will solve that problem now. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, E1 minus E2 ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, 0.06 divided by 2, 0.03, 0.03 log of 0.5, log of 0.5 divided by C2, log of 0.5 divided by C2. Already I have taught you people in the normal classes how to do the anti-log. Who has not watched it, after this class go and watch the video. Okay, 0.03 is equal to 0.03 into log of 0.5 divided by C2. 0.5 divided by C2. Clear? 0.5 divided by C2. Understood? Now directly log common ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇವೆರಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ log of 0.5 divided by C2 is going to be 1. Okay, now 0.5 divided by C2 is going to be what? Anti-log of 1. You people need to study log of 1 to 10. Bahat ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡಿ. Final answer is 0.05. Yes. So ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫುಲ್ bahat ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ log of 1 to log of 10 ಅನ್ನ, log of 1 to 10 ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ this will be very easy for you people. Okay, 0.5 divided by C2, how much will be anti-log of 1? That will be 10. So C2 is equal to 0.5 divided by 10, that will be 0.05. Yeah, very good. Clear everyone? Understood this? Next problem. How much of the electricity is required to oxidize 1 mole of H2O to O2 and 1 mole of FeO2 Fe2O3? Fe2O3. So this is an NCERT solved question. This is NCERT question. Means they have asked it for 2 marks. So I have taken this question. 2 marks bidre bilbodu. Aita? The oxidation of reaction is how much? H2O, which is getting reacted to form what? Half O2 plus 2H plus 2 electrons. 2 electrons. Here 1 mole is equal to 2 mole. This is a direct question. Okay. Q is equal to 2 into F. According to the Ohm's law also we can take it. According to the Ohm's law also we can take it. So that is going to be what? Q is equal to 2 into F. 2 into F. That will be what? 2 into 96. That is Faraday. Is equal to 193. Just multiplication idu. Aita? Coulomb. Right? And we got to know the charge now. We got to know the charge. Charge 3 ta. Next. B in case oxidation reaction is. Sorry. 1 mole of FeO to Fe2O3. Fe2O3. FeO in the converter Fe2O3 ge enagattappa. So the oxidation reaction is going to be what? FeO half H2O will get it what? Fe2O3. Fe2O3. FeO plus half will get what? Fe2, FeO half H2O, FeO half H2O in the bracket, sorry, not in the bracket, Fe2O3 plus hydrogen plus electron. Clear? 1 mole and 1 mole. That will be what? Q is equal to F is equal to 96,500 coulomb. 96,500 coulomb. Chapter wise important numerical marks Madi, please, for board related exams. Yes, we'll do, Ravi Belagami. We'll do. All the things we'll do. Don't worry. So clear how you need to find this? Next question. How much electricity storms has a Faraday is required to produce 20 gram of calcium from molten CaCl2 and 40 gram of Al from molten Al2O3. That is atomic mass of a calcium is 40 we know and aluminium is 27. This is also NCERT question itself. Concentrate here properly everyone. So Ca2 plus 2 electrons is going to convert to form what? Calcium. So here 2 Faraday ಇದೆ. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 mole. Here whatever the 2 Faraday is there 1 mole ಗೆ 40 gram. Already ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Okay. Now 2 Faraday it deposits. How much? It deposits how much pa? 40 grams of calcium. Clear? Now X Faraday, we don't know this, no? So X Faraday deposits how much? 20 grams of calcium. Clear? If in case 2 Faradays are depositing 40 grams of calcium, then X Faradays of deposits 20 grams of calcium. So X is equal to 2 into 20 divided by 40 is equal to 1 Faraday. Clear? 1 Faraday. 1 second. Understood? Clear? Very easy it is. Okay. Now Faraday is done. We have got to know all the things. Now let's go to the second question. What is the second question? 20 grams of calcium antu aitu. 20 grams of calcium is done. Clear? Now let's go to the 40 gram of aluminium from the molten Al2O3. Molten Al2O3. Consider madili Al3 plus means it's giving 3 electrons. Okay. 3 electron togo neenu nanagu beda anta kodtide already. Okay. So this is 3 Faraday. 1 mole. Clear? 3 Faraday, 27 gram. Clear? So 3 Faradays of deposits to 27 gram of Al. So same thing, X value 3 into 14 divided by 27, that is going to be 4.44 Faraday. This is easy. Clear? This is also just 2 marks questions or 3 marks. 2 marks or 3 marks. Next, the conductivity of 0.001028 moles per liter acetone acid is 4.95 into 10 raised to minus 5 centimeter per centimeter. Calculate its dissociation constant if gamma naught for acetic acid is 390.5 centimeter square per mole. This is also NCERT question. Okay, direct formula ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is 1 second. I'll write it if it's not possible. This is the dissociation constant. 1 second. Dissociation constant, that is K into 1000 divided by M. Clear? 4.95 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 1000 V. 0.001028 ella kottidare value. What will get here? 48.15 centimeter square per mole minus. Okay. So same thing illi kottidare. Alpha is equal to dissociation constant. Okay, dissociation constant 48.15. Same ella substitute madodu. We'll get the answer as 0.1233. Same adrದು square ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is going to be the KB. C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. Clear? So just substitute ಮಾಡಿ answer ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next question. This is also 2 marks question. The conductivity of 0.20 m solution of KCl at 298 Kelvin is 0.248 s per centimeter. Calculate its molar conductivity. Molar conductivity na find ಮಾಡೋದು. Molar conductivity is equal to, you already know, K is equal to 1000 divided by m. ಈಗ just ma'am ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes, molar conductivity is equal to 0.0248 into 1000 divided by 0.2. 0.2. Clear as 0.2. What will get? Substitute the numerator first and then the denominator. Directly I have told you people. Come on, who got the answer? Tell me fast. 0.0248 into 1000 divided by 0.2. What will get the answer? 124 centimeter square per mole. Clear? Understood? Next question. So calculate conductivity of 0.00241 m acetic acid is 7.86. Same. E question ittalla. This question and that question is same. Try to solve this question. This is also been asked for 3 marks. Same other tara question. 3 marks, or even they will ask it for 5 marks. They will ask it for the 5 marks. Make sure to practice this question very well. Next, how much charge is required to reduce 1 mole of Al3 to Al? So Al3 ilda matte Al ge eshtappa charge beku? Okay, eshtappa charge beku? Then afterwards, the reduction reaction is going to be Al3 plus 2 electrons. It's Al, and thus 3 moles of electrons are needed to reduce. That is 1 mole of Al3. Same direct formula apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Q into 3 into F. Same ಅದೇ ತರ reduction of a reaction ಅನ್ನನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Very good, Shifa. Very good. So this was the last question. So make sure ಈಗ ನಾನು just 10 questions ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. 10 questions ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ most repeated in the model question papers also and most repeated in your PYQs. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ questions ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಲೈಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ model question papers ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, model question papers ನಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ questions ಇವು. So make sure you people will practice those questions very well. So ಈಗ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು questions ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಅದನ್ನು ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಚ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ more, if you want such numerical problems videos more, then please tell me in the comment section. Then only I'm going to conduct the next class. Clear? So whoever has not marked your attendance, please mark your attendance. Let's at least hit it to 30 likes today. Okay, let's hit it to 30 likes. Clear? Till then, see you everyone. Bye bye.